Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily connect your PUBG Mobile account to your YouTube channel or YouTube account. Now, it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing, of course, open up your preferred browser, head down to youtube.com, and from there you go to the top right corner to sign into your YouTube account, which is your personal account. It's very important. And from there, you use the drop-down menu to open up the settings right here. From there you go to the left where the connected apps are located. You scroll down till you find the PUBG Mobile option. Simply press connect, and from there this window will open up, which you press connect again, press continue, and then this pop-up fenster will open up where you can easily select the server and the login method for your PUBG Mobile account. Now from there they both are linked together, and then you can start using them together. It's easy as that. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.